Good evening, guys. So only 6 of you today?
Good evening, sir.
Only 4? That's bad. Where are others? Just because easy chapters they didn't come? Okay. Narayani, Purnachanani, Riya and Sai Vignesh. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Shall we get started?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll try to do them as fast as possible. Okay. Just a minute. Not able to write. Okay, let's do one thing. Just give me a minute. Right. Yeah. We'll get started. So in coordinate geometry, what all topics do we have? Can you tell me your portions?
Section formula and
So we have only 2 topics. One is distance formula.
section formula.
One is section formula. Even in section formula, you have only internal division. So when you talk about section, right, you can say that a point is dividing the 2 other points either internally in the ratio or externally in some ratio, right? So when we talk about distance formula, so what exactly do we calculate? So what is needed and what do we calculate? Suppose I take this to be x-axis, y-axis. If I have 2 points x1 comma y1 and I have another point x2 comma y2, if I want to find the distance between the points AB, then AB is given as root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So how did we obtain it? Using Pythagoras theorem. I hope everybody knows this, right? I'll just show you in 2 minutes. So dropping 2 perpendiculars, this distance will be x1, this distance will be x2, this is x2 minus x1, this distance is y1, this is y2. Dropping a perpendicular, this will give me y2 minus y1. So here the answer will be root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So it's as simple as that. Next is section formula. So what does section formula tell us? Suppose I have 3 points A, B and C, right? And okay, I'll take this point as P for instance. If I take it to be P, if this point is x1 comma y1, if this is x2 comma y2, and the point P divides AC in the ratio, or sorry, AB in the ratio, M is to N, then point P is given as M into x2 plus N into x1 divided by m plus n, comma, m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Right? So this is how we calculate. So area of a triangle is not needed. Right? So based on this, we know we'll see how to solve the problem. So first question, there are 4 points that are given to you, 9, 0, 9, 6, minus 9, comma 6, D minus 9, comma 0 are the vertices of. So what will you do?
We have to apply distance formula and find
Yeah.
AB, BC, CD, and AD.
Okay. Can you
And
find it
even
out?
the
And
diagonals if needed, sir.
yeah. Can you find out and tell me what are the values? See, if you observe this thing, no, I'll give you an idea. 9, comma 0 is a point here. Minus 9, comma 0 is a point here. 9, comma 6 is a point that is here. And minus 9, comma 6 is another point here. So what shape does it take? It's a rectangle. So if I take this to be A, B, C, D, what is AB? AB is 6. What is BC?
6.
BC is 18.
18.
18 because this is 9 and this is 9. And what about CD?
6 again.
6 again, and AD is going to
18.
be
18.
8. So it is going to be a rectangle. The options are not given here. C square and D rectangle. Answer will be a rectangle. Simple, right? Next. The centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio. So this is a theoretical concept. Okay. So you know what is a median, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is a median?
A line which
Divide
cuts
one of the
a
sides into two.
So line drawn from the vertex which divides the opposite side in the ratio 1:1.
1:1.
Am I right? Right. So the point of intersection of medians is called as
right.
Centroid.
centroid. It's represented by the symbol G, and a centroid divides a median. A centroid divides a median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Please make a note of it. Do you know what is the centroid formula?
No, sir.
No problem. Leave it. If you know this theory, that is enough. So 2:1. The line 2x plus 5, 2x plus y minus 4 divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 2 and 3, 7 in the ratio. What? So how to solve this?
By using 2k plus 1 divided by k minus 1.
Okay. So if I take AB, let's say this point, this is a rough diagram, 2, minus 2, 3, 7. So there is a point P through which there is a line that is passing. What is it? 2x plus y minus 4. So let us take the ratio to be k:1. So will you be able to find the point x, y? How will you find? X, y will be equal to k into 3. So 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Is there anyone having doubt in applying this? 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1. I repeat, is there anyone having doubt in this? If you're not able to do it, let me know. I'll explain.
Sir, can you explain?
Sure. So whenever you take a point, right? Let's say there are 2 points that are given to you and you need to find another point, or sometimes the problem will be like, what is the ratio in which the point is dividing the line segment? Then you take the ratio as k is to 1. Instead of taking it as m is to n, you take it as k is to 1. K can be either of the sides. So this side I took it to be k, no? So how do you apply the section formula? A, P and B is there. No, if I take it as m and n, if this is x1, y1, this is x2, comma y2, then you should always do it like this: m into x2 plus n into x1. So you should always. So I did the same logic. K into 3, 3k plus 1 into 2, 2 divided by k plus 1 plus.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Got it? Yeah. So what you need to do now, is take this and substitute it in the line. Can you?
Sir, 2 is to 3.
Got the answer? Is everyone getting that? So 2 into 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? So 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. So 6 plus 7, 13 minus 4 is 11k. 4 and 4 are gone. 11k minus 2 is equal to 0. I'm getting something else. 2 is to 11, but there is no option. Did I miss something?
So you missed the k plus 1 denominator, so it should go the other side, right?
No, but that will go as a 0. No, I already took the LCM.
Oh.
So 6k plus 4, correct, plus 7k minus 2, minus 4k minus 4. So 6 plus 7, 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. No, sorry. 2 is to 9 is the answer, which implies k is equal to 2 by 9. So that is the answer, because the ratio is k is to 1. No, I hope you understood, right? So 2 is to 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is a problem based on centroid. Let me check. Did they teach you this concept?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll skip this. Fifth one. If the points are collinear, then the relation between x and y is. So if the points are collinear, how will you solve it?
Section formula.
So section formula, what will you do?
We will take A as x comma y, B as 1 comma 2, and C
You
as 7
you
comma
want to do
0.
it like that? Okay, A is x comma y, B is 1 comma 2, C is 7 comma 0. Okay, you want to take it like this, then
K is to 1.
k is to 1 is what you want to take. Okay,
I'm not sure about that.
not sure. Actually, yeah. See, this problem you need not do it actually. The reason they've asked the relation, no. Actually, there is a problem that came out of the concept of when points are collinear, right? Area formed, area of the triangle formed will be 0. So area of triangle is also deleted, no? Area of triangle is 0. But generally, if the points are collinear, what else is the condition that we can use? If I have ABC, if this is xy, this is 1, 2, this is 7, 0, then what you can do is AB plus BC will be equal to AC. Are you able to understand? So what you can do is find the distance between these 2 points, find the distance between B and C, and find the distance between A and C and equate them. Then you will get the answer. It will be a slightly tedious process. I'll do and show it. Okay, if at all this comes, you should be able to handle it. So what is AB? Root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus, what is the value of BC? Root of 36 plus 4, root 40 is equal to, what is AC? Root of x minus 7 the whole square plus y square. Am I right? This problem, I see this slightly high for a 10th standard. Forget it. So this problem can be, you will get a linear equation like this. You will get a linear equation only when you solve it using the area of triangle. They'll not question you, don't worry. So it's a very simple one. What is the answer for the next one?
-5.
-5.
The point which divides the line segment joining the point 7, -6 and 3, 4 and the ratio 1:2 internally lies in which quadrant? So the question, can you find out the point? 7 -6 3 4. If I take the point P here, 1:2. Sorry. So point P here, 1:2. So 3 plus 14 divided by 3, 28 minus 12 divided by 3. So it be 17 by 3, 16 by 3. Which quadrant is it?
First quadrant.
First
First
quadrant.
quadrant. So, but the option answer given is fourth. 1 minute. 17 by 3 minus 8 by 3. So 1 into 4. Oh, sorry.
It's -8 with.
Yeah. I multiplied the 7. So it is -8 by 3. So answer is fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, simple. X is positive, y is negative. Sorry. X is positive, y is negative. If the point x, 4 lies on circle whose center is at the origin and the radius is 5, then x is how much? So you have a circle. It's not very tough. Let's see. You have a circle whose center is origin and you have a point x, 4. If the distance between these 2 points is 5, so x square plus 16 is equal to 25 by using the distance formula. Am I right? So what I did is root of x minus 0 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square is equal to 5. So squaring on both sides, I will get x square plus 16 is equal to 25, which implies x square is equal to 9 or x is equal to plus or minus 3. So this will be the option. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So the distance between at square, 2at and a by t square minus 2a by t. 2 minutes time. Do it fast. Just apply distance formula. That's enough. It is slightly higher order thinking skill. Okay. So it is going to, I'll also do it parallelly, but don't look at the screen. So 80 square minus. Anybody who got the answer? This is slightly a tough question. Okay. Anybody? Okay, listen to this. You understood what I did? Is this step clear?
Yes.
Sorry guys, there. Okay, so I basically did root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square only. Okay. So after doing all these things, I just expanded them. So I followed the basic expansion. So once I did the expansion, I got this kind of an expression. So here what we can do is we can write this as a square into this thing is actually t square plus 1 by t square plus 2 the whole square. And remember, all these things are under a square root. Because I didn't put the square root since beginning, I wrote it as power half. Okay, so it is actually root of a square into t square plus 1 by t square plus 2 the whole square. So it will be a into t square plus 1 by t square plus 2. Square root of a square is a. This thing is this. So a into this part will actually be t plus 1 by t the whole square. So the answer is a into t plus 1 by t the whole square. So this one. Okay. Don't worry. You'll not get this stuff and all. Don't worry at all. Okay. So we'll do few more problems that are based on distance formula and section formula, and then we'll go to probability. So 43rd, I want you to try. Find all possible values of x for which the distance between the points is 5 units. So the possible values are 8 and 2. 8 or 2. So I thought it is self-explanatory. Is it clear? Are you guys able to do it on your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve this question. So this is similar to that example, to the MCQ that we did. Anybody with the answer?
Sir, I got 2:9.
Correct. 2:9 is right. Anyone
So
else who got this?
can you explain? So I didn't.
See, it's similar to the problem that we did previously, no? 3, comma 7. If I take a point P here, which is dividing the ratio k is to 1. So this line is there, no? 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. It's the same problem, I think, right? So 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is passing through this point. So how would you calculate P? P will be equal to 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, comma 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1. So take this and substitute it here. So 2 into 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Point.
2 into 3.
So here it will be 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. This and this will get cancelled. 13 minus 4, 9k is equal to 2, which implies k will be 259. Tanishka, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So centroid not needed. Determine whether the given points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. What will you do?
Then distance
Good.
formula.
Yes.
You have to apply distance formula.
Yes. Find AB. So AB will be root of 9 plus 9. That will be 2 root 9. BC will be root of 36 plus 36. That will be root 72 means how much is it? 6 root 2. Similarly, AC will be equal to root of 9 square is 81 plus 9. So root 90. Root 90 means 3 root 10. Right. So what is AB square? I could have left it as AB square itself. AB square is 18. BC square is 72. And AC square is 90. So you're getting AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Right. So where is it right angled? It's
At
right
AC
angled.
square.
Right angled, na, you have to tell the point
And B, sir.
at B, because B is the point common to AC square and BC square. It is right angled at B. Do this.
Sir, why is it right angle at B?
Because when you're doing AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, this is what you're getting, no? So
Yes, sir.
the ending point here is equal to the starting point of the second.
Okay.
Because you're saying, got it, no? Because AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it. Yeah. So line segment joining the points 3, 4, sorry, minus 4, 1, 2 is trisected at points P and Q. If the coordinates of P and Q are P, minus 2 and 5 by 3, Q respectively, find the values of P and Q. So what do you mean by trisected?
Divided equally into 3 parts.
Yes, they are divided into 3 parts. So A is 3, minus 4. Here it is B is 1, 2. This point is P, this point is Q. So this ratio is 1, 1, 1. So P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to
1 is to 2.
2. Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to
2 is to
1. So you'll get 2 points, right? Equate those 2 points to P, minus 2 and 5 by 3, Q. Tell me what is the answer. Answer.
I got P is 7 by 3, so Q
Correct.
I'm still calculating. Q I'm still calculating. So
Right. P is 7 by 3, correct. So P comma minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 8 by 3. Sorry. 1 plus 6 by 3 comma 2 minus 8 by 3. So 7 by 3 comma minus 2. So 7 by 3 is P. So what about Q?
it's 0, so
Correct. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 divided by 3 comma 2 into 2 4 minus 4 divided by 3. This should be equal to 5 by 3 comma Q. So Q is 0. Correct. So I hope everybody got it, no? Is there anyone who's not yet?
No, sir.
If the points P Q R S in order divide the line segment joining 2 comma P 7 comma 10 in 5 equal parts, find the value of X comma Y. Find the value of X Y P. I think something is missing in the question. Just give me a minute. If the points go 56th. Okay, got it. So if the points P, Q, R, S in order divide the line segment AB. So A is there, which is 2 comma P. B is there, which is 7 comma 10. So if I take this point to be P, Q, R, S, where the ratios are 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 5 equal parts, right? So Q is X comma 7, S is 6 comma Y. Now our job is to find X comma X, Y, and P. Will you be able to do that? So tell me, Q divides AB in the ratio what?
2:3.
Correct. So 2:3. So apply that and find out. No, this is 2. This ratio is 3. So 2 into 7 plus 3 into 2 divided by 5, comma 2 into 10 plus 3 into P divided by 5 is equal to X comma 7. So 14 plus 6, 20 by 5, comma 20 plus 3P by 5 is equal to X comma 7. So what is the value of X? X is 4. So 20 plus 3P is equal to 35, which implies 3P is equal to 15 and P will be equal to 5. In a similar way, S divides AB in the ratio? Tell me. S divides AB in the ratio, how much?
4:1.
4:1.
4:1. Apply the formula. You already know the value of X, that is 4. So apply this 4:1. Find out that Y. Will you be able to do that? Do it fast, 1 minute time. Answer. So 28 plus 2 divided by 5, comma 40 plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 6 comma Y. So Y is how much? 9, no?
Yes, sir.
Y is 9. Right. So we'll do two more problems based on, actually one last problem based on this concept, and then we'll move to the probability concepts. So find the ratio in which the line segment joining -2, -3 and 5, 6 divide the x-axis and y-axis. So if you look at the points, 5, 6 is here, -2, -3 is here. If you take a line like this, ratio in which the line segment joining is divided by the x-axis. So if you take a point here as x, 0, okay, so what would be the ratio?
Sir, I'm getting 5/4.
5/12.
5/4.
So what did you do? How did you get that 5/4? You would have taken the ratio to be k:1.
Yes, sir.
Then you will only find the y coordinate not minus 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 should be equal to 0. Actually, it is 1:2, not?
Took it wrong.
So k will be equal to 1:2. Is there anyone who didn't understand what I did?
I didn't understand.
See, when there is a line segment like this, okay, -2, -3 is in the third quadrant and 5, 6 is in the first quadrant. So here it is x, 0. So if you take this point to be P, for example, right, if the ratio is k:1, what is it? If the ratio is k is
Is
to
to 1.
you will find the y coordinate and equate it to 0 because on the x-axis y coordinate is 0. Purida. Similarly, for the same diagram, if I take this to be q, the point on the y-axis to be q, and let me say this distance is lambda. So if I take this to be lambda is to 1, then, okay, not lambda, I'll take it as L is to 1. So L into 5 minus 2 divide L plus 1 should be equal to 0. Because on the y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0. Are you able to understand this point? 0, comma y. So 5L minus 2 divided by L plus 1 is equal to 0. So L will be equal to 2 by 5. So the point on the x-axis divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2, and the point on the y-axis divides it in the ratio 2 is to 5. Right, since you know 2 is to 5 and 1 is to 2, will you be able to find the point? They asked this question also. Find the coordinates of the point. Can you find x comma y? Guys,
Yes,
I need
sir.
an answer. Right? Can you find out and tell me what are the values? I need the x coordinate. So now I'll draw a separate diagram like this: minus 2 comma minus 3, and this is 5 comma 6. If I take this point to be P, if I take this point to be P, the ratio is 1 is to 2. And the point P is x comma 0. So what will I get? 5 minus 2 divided by 3 is what is x, which implies x is equal to 1. So 1 comma 0 is a point on the x-axis. Similarly, if I take minus 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6, if I take the point to be 0 comma y here, then L is to 1. So 2 is to 5. So this is 2, this is 5. Okay. This is 2 comma 5. So if I take this point as Q, then what will I get? 2 into 5 minus 10 divided by 7. So that will be 0. Comma 12 minus 15 by 7 is equal to 0 comma y. So what will be the value of y? It will be minus 3 by 7. That is why if you see the point is on which it is below the x-axis. That is why you are getting 0 comma minus 3 by 7. Diagram is also supporting us. Understand that logic? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So they cannot ask you tougher than this. Okay. So next is probability. So for everyone, this chapter is over in school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you guys know it, right? So how do you define the probability as? Favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcomes, right? So having said this, can you tell me what is the answer for the first one? A card is selected from a deck of 52 cards. The probability of it being a red face card. So how many red face cards are there? Sorry?
12, sir.
12 red face cards, sir.
8.
26, sir.
Yes, sir. 12 is only that. 12. Oh. 6
Read the
red
text.
face cards, sir.
6, sir. 6.
6.
So you have 6 red face cards. Out of the 6 red face cards, so you can pick any of the 6 red face cards out of the 52 available cards. So what will be the answer? It will be 3 divided by 26. Is there an option? Guys, are you able to understand or not? 3 divided
Yes,
by
sir.
Yes, sir.
26. Yes. So Raju bought a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish from a tank containing 15 male fish and 18 female fish. The probability that the fish taken out is a male fish. Answer. One step.
The total number of fish is 43. 33.
33.
15 by
male
33,
fish
sir.
is
So
Which
total
is
is
5 by
33.
11. 5 by 11, sir.
5 by
Correct. So male is 15. So 15 divided by 33 divisible by 11. Sorry, 5. So it is going to be 5 divided by 11. Is there an option? Option A.
Yes, sir. A.
So probability of getting a sum of 13 in a single throw of 2 dice. Need not even solve. Can you get the sum of two numbers on a dice? 0. Because the maximum number you can get is 12. So from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a queen?
1 by 13.
Sir, 1 by 13, sir.
Sure.
It'll be
4
4
by
by
52,
52,
sir.
sir.
So 4 queens are there, 4 out of 52. That's right. So 1 out of 13. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting a jack? So how many jacks are there?
4.
4.
So again 1 by 13, sir.
With 13 years.
Yes, 1 by 13 is the answer. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a queen? Same.
1 by 13.
Yes. The probability of getting a black king
1 by 26.
1 by 26.
by 26. Cards marked with numbers 2 to 101 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. One card is drawn from the box. The probability that the number on the card is a prime number less than 20. Tell me the prime number is less than 20. 2, 3,
4, 5, 7,
7.
9,
9 ವರಾದ್ರೆ odd number ಅಲ್ಲ.
11, 13,
ಹಾ
17,
ಹಾ
19.
How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are there out of how many cards?
20.
Read the question carefully.
100.
Yes. Because this 8 are the number of, see, their expectation is for you to get the number prime number less than 20. It can be any of the 8 prime numbers out of the 100 available because the numbers are marked from 2 to 101. So how many are there?
100 numbers.
So 8
2 by
divided by
20.
100. 2 by 25. Yes. Is there an option? Yes. So if a digit is chosen at random from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the probability that it is odd is very simple. Huh? 1, 3,
3,
5 by 9, sir.
5 by 9.
5 by 9. A bag contains 3 red, 5 black, and 7 white balls. A ball is drawn at random. The probability that the ball drawn is not black. So probability that it is not, the ball drawn is not black means it can be red or white. So how much will be the answer? 10 out of
15.
15. It's 2 by 3.
2/3. 67% chance. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability that the product of the numbers appearing on the dice is 7. Any possibility?
3 and 4, sir.
3 and 4, sum is 7, ra. Read the
Oh.
question carefully.
No,
Product.
sir.
Product 7
7
varuma.
and 1.
The 0.
No, sir.
0,
No.
sir.
Answer is 0. It is an impossible event. So whenever the probability is
Odd number.
0, you call it as impossible event. Impossible event meaning another probability is 0. Okay. A box contains cards number 3579 till 37. A card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card is a prime number. Other options, you can write the prime numbers. So among those numbers, how many prime numbers do you have? Can you tell me the numbers? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, then 20,
23.
12.
then
12, sir. 12, sir. Totally.
12. Check it again. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 15 varadilla. I'm sorry. 13,
17,
17,
19, 23,
23,
29,
24, 29,
31,
31 and 37.
37.
how many are
12,
there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
12,
8,
sir.
9, 10, 11. No. 11 தான் இருக்கு. 11 numbers are there. 11 out of, from 3 to 37, how many numbers are there?
sir. 34.
Right. 34. 3 to 37, 34.
37 minus 3. 37
But
minus
37 minus 3, 34. But each number is separated by a common difference of 2.
2.
This arithmetic is over for everyone. Is arithmetic progression over? Yes or no? Everybody knows arithmetic progression. No?
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows that. If somebody doesn't know, I can't teach that. If somebody doesn't know, I'll go with direct method. So everybody knows it? Okay. So can you tell me what is the common term in AP? It is A plus
N minus 1.
N minus 1 into D. So A is how much in this problem? 3.
3. B is 2.
Common difference is 2. And Tn is 37. So 37 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So that implies 34 is equal to N minus 1 into 2, which implies N minus 1 is 17 or N is equal to 18. So
18.
from 3 to 37, there are 18 terms. So what will be the answer? 11 prime numbers out of the 18 available numbers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So 11 out of 18. Try this one. There are 1,000 sealed envelopes in a box. 10 of them contain a cash price of rupees 100 each. 100 of them contain a cash price of rupees 50 each, and 200 of them contain a cash price of rupees 10 each, and rest do not contain any cash price. If they are well shuffled in an envelope and picked out, what is the probability that it contains no cash price? So rupees number 100 rupees, how many boxes are there? 10. 100 each. 50 rupees, 100. 10 rupees, 200. Right? So how many are left out?
790.
Yes, 790, no cash. So what is the answer? 790 out of 1,000. So it is 79 by 100. That will be the answer. $790 or I think it's $690, no? $310, no?
Oh,
The
yes,
six-
sir. Yes, 690.
So it is actually 69 by 100. So 690 divided by 1000, cancel it. 69 divided by 100 would be the answer. So this is the 44th question. So I hope it is clear, no? Shall we do the 45th one? Cards marked with numbers 13, 14, 15, so on till 60 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. 13, 14. So common difference is 1 here, observe. Okay. One card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is divisible by 5. So divisible by 5 means what are the numbers that are possible?
15, 20, 25, 30,
15,
20.
So
25,
15, 20, 25.
25,
Listen,
30,
listen, listen.
Okay, numbers.
1 minute, 1 minute. See, if it is still 600, you will sit and write everything or what? If the question was still 600, you will not sit and write everything, no?
Yes,
So
sir,
what you
it's
should do is,
ASC.
yes,
It's an
A
ASC.
is 15, D is 5, and Tn is 60. So 60 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into 5. So 60 minus 15 is 45 is equal to N minus 1 into 5, which implies N will be equal to 10. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
At 45th, right? So number of terms are 10. And what are the total number of terms that are there? 13 to 60.
Forty-seven.
46.
How 40? How 46?
47. Sir.
47, huh?
47.
47, sir.
You guys, you know what you're doing? You're doing 60 minus 13, you're getting
13.
47. No?
47.
Correct, huh? But when you do this, you're missing the 13th. You're missing the 13th card also. Between
48.
it is 48. Be careful, okay? It is 48. So total number of cards are 48. So answer for the first one is divisible by 5, 10 out of 48, which is going to be 5 by 12. See, wait. Which is 5 by 24.
5 by 24.
Second, a number is a perfect square. So where does the first square start with? 16?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, because 8 square is 64. So how many perfect squares are there? 4 out of 48. You have 1 by 12.
1 by 12.
That is the answer, right? Now, see, 3 coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 hits. So how to write the sample space for this? When 3 coins are tossed, so I'll tell you a technique, listen to this. Each coin has 2 outputs to the power of total number of coins. That is going to be 8. Right? So 8 outputs are possible. How you write is, break this 8 by 2. So it is going to be 4, no? 4 heads, 4 tails. Is that clear? Now, break this 4 into 2. So write it as 2 head, 2 tails, 2 head, 2 tails. Now break this 2 into half. So 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, head, tail, head, tail. So that you will not miss anything. You need not worry about the order. So now you concentrate on the question. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads, where are they? This is 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to have 3 out of 8. Clear? So do the 46th one.
4 by 13.
Answer 46.
Yes, sir, 4 by 13, sir.
4 by 13 is not given here. Something else.
16 by 52.
Yeah, sir, won't it be 16 by 52?
No, no, no. See, 13 is there in the denominator, 4 is not there in the numerator.
By 13.
So, how much? Come again?
6 by 13.
No, no, no. That is also not there. So, how did you
Sir,
do?
no, sir. We
Let's
took
forget.
the heart and king. We didn't subtract it from the total.
No, so there'll be 13 hearts and then 3
Okay.
other kings. So it'll be 16 by 52, right, sir?
So, total is 52. Okay, find the probability that the card drawn is neither a heart nor a king. What is the meaning of it?
Oh,
So how many
it's
hearts-
the reverse.
39 by 52.
How much is it? 39 by 52.
So I need to convert it.
No, how many hearts are there? Tell me.
13.
The heart cards are 13. Okay. How many kings are there?
4, but 1 king is already in the heart.
Sir. Cause
So what should we do?
We should take 3 cause one king will go in the heart.
So total cards to be removed are how much? That's right. Total cards to be removed are 13 plus 4, correct? There is a mistake here.
3, sir.
13 plus 3.
It should be.
There's a king of
Ah.
hearts.
That's what. So you should not write 13 plus 4. You should write 13 plus 3. That is going to be 16 cards. So out of the pack of 52, I need to remove the 16 cards. So I'm going to get 36. So this will be how much?
36 by
36.
52.
30.
Then how much is it? If you simplify with 4, you will get 9 by 13. Did anyone say 9 by 13? I didn't hear that answer. No one, no? Okay, 9 by 13 is the answer. I hope you got the logic. See, you guys only answered. I did nothing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 56. 56th. The king, queen, and jack of club. Read this. Jack of club are removed. So king removed means how many kings are removed?
4.
Yes. I think, wait. The king, queen, and jack of club. Everything is of club only. Actually, the question is slightly ambiguous. So they use the word the, no, means they're particular. The king, queen, and jack of club are removed. So 3 cards are removed from 52 cards and they are well shuffled. 1 card is drawn at random from the remaining cards. Find the probability of getting a heart. Answer.
13 by 49.
So number of hearts still in the deck is how much? 13 only.
13.
But how many cards are there? 13 out of?
49.
That's right. Find the probability of getting a king.
3 by 49.
Number of kings left are 3. So 3 out of 49. Now what about a club?
10 by 49.
10 by 49.
That's right. 10 out of 49 are left. A 6 of heart.
1 by 49.
That's right. Okay. So let's do this problem. 2 dice, 1 blue, 1 gray are thrown at the same time. Complete the following table. Sum on 2 dice is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What is the answer? So if you want the sum on the dice to be 2, the only option is 1, 1. If you want the sum on the dice to be 3, then possibilities are 2, 1 and
1, 2.
so what will be the answer? 2 out of
36.
1 by 18 or 2 divided by 36. I'm filling it here. So for you to get the sum as 4.
1 3 3 1 2 2.
Correct. So it is going to be 3 out of 36. Then for 5. For 5, 1 4, 4 1,
2
2
3
3, 3 2.
4
4 comma 1 is over, no?
That's all.
That's it.
So it will be 4 out of
4
36.
by 36.
So for you to get the sum as 6, 1 5 5 1, 2 3 2 4
4
4
2
2
4
4
4 2 3
3
3. It is going to be 5 by
5 by
36.
36.
So like this you can keep writing. So answer for 7, 1 6 6 1, 2 5 5 2, 3 4 4 3.
3 4 4 3.
So it is going to be 6 out of 36. So 8 they have given it as 5 by 36. Let's not worry about it. 9. For 9.
6
One-
comma 3 3 comma 6.
1 is not possible, 2 is not possible. So 3 comma 6, 6 comma 3. That's
2
it.
by 36. Sir, 5 comma 4. 5
So
comma
actually
4,
8
4
is 7
comma
by 36.
8 is 7 by 36. No.
Yes.
So let me check. 4 5 5 4.
No, sir, correct only, sir, for 8.
I think for 8
Sir.
I think it is correct. Let me check more.
So
Let me
it's
check.
1 7 7 1.
No, 7 will not come. No. Dice la.
Oh yes, sorry.
Yeah. So actually what will happen is maximum 6 போயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் again it start decreasing. 6 5 4. Here it will be 3 by 36. 2 by 36. Like this it keeps on going.
Yes.
Got it? Yeah. A student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability of 1 by 11. Do you agree with this? Answer is no,
No, sir.
because they are not equally likely. Okay, just note that point. You need not worry about the term. Why is it no? Because they are not equally likely. That is the answer all of them. Okay, so we'll do one last problem and then wind up. Okay, can you solve this problem? A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which is equally likely to come to rest pointing to one of the numbers 1 2 3 4 so on till 12. What is the probability that it will point to 6?
So 1 by 12.
So point to 6 is one number out of 12. It will point an even number.
1 by 2.
2 4 8. So 1 by, so it is 6 out of 12 or 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Prime number 3, sorry, 2 3 5
7 by 12.
6.
6 tanada.
6, 6, sir.
2 3 5
Prime
7
number
oh,
by
9 is
9,
not there.
sir.
5 by
5
12.
It is 5 by 12. A number which is a multiple of 5. So obviously only
2
5
by
and 10.
12. 1 by
So
6.
2 by 12 or it is going to be
12,
1
which
by.
is 1 by 6.
So that's it. So I hope this chapter is easy, right? You guys can handle it. So the next class, that is tomorrow's class, will be dealing with triangles, right? So remaining problems will come as worksheet, solve them out. Okay. So any other doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Perfect.
Bye.
Okay. We'll wind up, right? I'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
Edpa, enna ketta?
Biology
Sai
class.
Vignesh. Yeah, you have it. You have it. Today, sir had some technical issues. No, tomorrow try to resolve. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.